In this video, we will talk about how to fix mic not working Windows 10. Method 1. Select and test the microphone. Click on Windows icon. Take your cursor on gear icon and open Settings. Select System, then Sound. Scroll it down. Under Input, select your microphone. Now, click on Sound Control Panel. Select Recording tab, then select Mic and set the mic as default. Then click on Apply and OK. Method 2. Enable access for apps. Click on Windows icon and open Settings. Click on Privacy. On the left, select Microphone and make sure Allow apps to access your microphone is on. For any application, you need to make changes from their settings. So that's how you can fix mic not working Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.